Dallas was kind of outgrowing our old warehouse in size, and as we increased our personnel and the number of preps and things we were doing in-house. So we've moved over to Roy Orr Boulevard here in Grand Prairie, and it's a much bigger facility. We've also moved in with our PRG brethren that are here in town. So we've been able to combine our efforts on some things that they work on and pick their brains. Now that we're in the same building, we can work together on a few projects here and there and maybe borrow tools from each other and have better interaction with these guys, because before we never saw them, they were in another building. We also have a much bigger prep space area. We're able to do full-scale preps, including video and audio and lighting, whereas before we had to segregate those into separate areas. We now have much more dock space. I think we're at 22 dock doors or something like that. We got a much bigger return area to spread things out. The building itself is much cleaner. We had problems with floor leveling in the old place. Now we've got clean, brand new foundation, cleaner rooms to work in for QC, so it helps control dust and isolate some of the techs into some smaller work environments so that they can be more organized and focus on one product without having to have a whole bunch of activity going on in the room. So we've now divided our projection rooms into individual rooms where one projectionist could be doing a demo with a client while another one is continuing to QC and keep gear moving. It's also a much cleaner environment. We did have a big dust problem in our older building, and these new rooms with a new air conditioning system have been able to help us really control dust, and that's really big when it comes to optics and cameras. So that's been a big improvement. Today we're going to be showcasing the new building with our open house and showing some of the flight packs we have to offer, some of the equipment, some of the new LED product, and basically let people know we're in a new facility, much bigger space. Feel free to come and prep and give us your business.